Hello students, welcome back to your channel Art of Mathematica. So students, today we are going to do the last sum of worksheet 4. This is the last sum. So after that I should start a new chapter. I know बहुत दिन से ये चल रहा है, तो मैं आज ही इसको खत्म करने वाला हूँ और नेक्स्ट डे से मैं नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. देखता हूँ कौन सा चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर सके हम. तो बहुत सारे जो स्टूडेंट है वो किसी ने कहा कि सर डेटा हैंडलिंग स्टार्ट कीजिए, किसी ने कहा कि सर चैप्टर नंबर 9 जो है कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो स्टार्ट कीजिए. देखता हूँ मैं क्या करता हूँ. किसी ने कहा अभी सिमेट्रिक चैप्टर भी है. तो देखो एक ही बात कहना कि सी लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस. आई नो बहुत दिन से ये कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, तो अब कुछ नया है, कुछ चेंज करना है. तो बस ये लास्ट सम है. जस्ट सी वॉच द फुल वीडियो. दिस इज माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल. So let's start. See that here it is told construct a right triangle whose two sides containing the right angle measure 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So as I have done always that, let me do it. This type of triangle will come. This is the rough work, so you can understand well, so that's why I'm doing this. So this is the rough work, so listen it everyone, that here I have to draw 90-degree angle. So from this point, suppose the triangle name is A, B and C, okay na? So from the point B, so here what to do, I have to draw a ray, okay? So then that point should be B. So from the point B, I have to draw 90-degree angle. You know how to construct 90-degree. So there you will construct 90-degree angle, join to ray. Now you will get the angle. Now how to convert the angle into a triangle? Here 90-degree containing the right angle measure. Containing the right angle means, tell me. This is our 90-degree. So containing this angle, that means BC side and AB side. How to get it? See. Angle B is equals to, according to my figure, according to this figure, angle B is 90-degree. So containing this angle is should be BC and AB. AC is not means side that containing the right angle. It is opposite the right angle. Okay, so that's why it is hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse. Okay, so these two are called containing the right angle. These two sides are the containing the right angle. Okay, so how to get it? See, simply just have you noticed there both the line segment B is common. So that's why B is the common angle. So that's why we can say AB and BC is the two sides which containing the angle B, that is 90-degree. Okay, so AC is opposite, I have told already. So understood? I think you all understood now what to do. From the point B, I have to cut here 12 centimeter, and from the point B I have to cut there 9 centimeter. So students, one thing, be careful that the length is big. So be careful whenever you are doing this. No, be careful. There's in your copy there should be some space. Okay, if the space is not available, you cannot construct the triangle. Again you have to rub and you have to do it. So be careful. Okay, so I am going to rub this part. Rough work should be there. So here I am going to draw a ray. Any ray I have to take. So suppose this is the ray I am taking. Now next, so I have told you now that I have to construct 90-degree angle. So from the point this and this should be B. You can see here it is B. So I am going to write this B. Okay. From this point draw 90-degree angle. Construct actually 90-degree angle. Okay. Put the compass properly. So I am taking this color. Put it properly. Now this. Now you know actually how to construct 90-degree. You all know. If you forgot, just see once. This is our 60-degree. What to do? What I have done? Just taking any measure, then cut any arc, then taking same measure now. Put the point here, means where the arc and the line or ray intersect. From there cut another arc. Now the second arc, this is 60 degree. Now from this second arc, means intersecting of the arc, you have to cut another arc on the on this arc, the previous arc, this one. Now what to do? Acha, one more thing I have to do. Actually, I can extend this. It is better to do like this, or as always I have done. So now, where again the arc intersect, from there put the compass and cut it. So now if you join it, you will get the 90-degree angle. You all know. Here it is, and it is better to join and extend. Okay, as much as you can. Okay, now what to do? This one done. Now BC is what? 12 centimeters. So from the point B, I have to cut here 12 centimeters. And as you know that always I have taken this length 10, 11, 12. Here it is. Now okay. It is a big, you can see on the compass it is written 12. So here it is 12. Now simply take the compass and put at the point B as a center. Here it is, and cut it. Actually, it is better to take a different color so you can understand. So red color I am taking. Here it is 12. So this is our 12 centimeter. So this should be the point C. So C, because BC is 12. Now AB. So on this line or ray, we have to draw AB. That is 9 centimeter. So again, take the compass and put it here. Now put the compass properly here and cut it. Now here it is 9. You can see, and on my compass also it is 9 centimeter written. So put the compass now here. Here it is, and cut it. Now you will get the point A. You know that is A, and this is 9 centimeter. So here the point, this point is called A. Okay, this is A, and that is 9 centimeter, and that one is 12 centimeter. So now A and C, if I join, will get the required triangle. So you have to use the scale. I can join them by solid line because it is a digital compass, so I can do it directly. But for you, I can suggest you use this scale and join them. Okay. So this is a big triangle, you can see. So if you don't have the space in your copy, proper space, so you cannot construct it. Again you have to rub, again you have to do. So it is better to do the construction in the middle of the paper or middle of the page. Okay. So I hope you all understood, and this is the construction, nothing else. So in my next video, let me see what should I do, and definitely I'll do the brain teaser part, but later on, not now. Okay. So as I always write, therefore ABC is the required right triangle. Right triangle. Okay, this is our right triangle. So I hope guys you all like this video. So that's it for today. So again I have to say the same thing. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Keep supporting me, and tab tak ke liye all of you take care and goodbye.